5 vitamins and essential minerals that can help with acid reflux. 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is believed to support the health of the esophagus lining. Consume foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and other leafy greens to get enough vitamin A. 2. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 may support proper nerve function and help reduce symptoms of acid reflux. You can find it in foods like poultry, fish, bananas, and fortified cereals. 3. Vitamin B12. Low levels of vitamin B12 have been associated with acid reflux symptoms. Including foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy or taking supplements may help. 4. Vitamin D. Some studies suggest that vitamin D deficiency may be linked to acid reflux. Ensure you get enough sunlight exposure or consider taking vitamin D supplements if your doctor recommends it. 5. Magnesium. Magnesium is thought to help maintain proper muscle function, including the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, which can impact acid reflux. Foods that are rich in magnesium include nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and whole grains. Keep in mind food allergies and that while these vitamins and food changes may help alleviate symptoms and promote overall health, they may not completely eliminate acid reflux in all cases. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional if you have severe or persistent acid reflux symptoms to rule out any underlying health issues. Stay healthy.